Hello guys, it's me, Michael. I'm doing another toy review, and I'm gonna be opening this Pac-Man. Ooh, there's Dig Dug. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you all the exclusive games for this. There's Pac-Man, of course there's Pac-Man, Galaga, Xevious, I don't know, Galaxian, I'm just gonna leave a comment down below on what's BOSCONIAN. Bosconian, Pac-Man Plus. Alright, that's cool. Nappy, Super Pac-Man, Pac and Pal. What's Pac and Pal?
Yeah, look what I found. Yeah, you wanna watch?
Pac and Pal, Dig Dug, New Rally X, and yeah, that's all. There's 12 games. So yeah, now I'm gonna be opening it. It's gonna be hard. Hold on.
Are you making a video?
Hold on, guys.
Sorry.
Just so you know.
There was this shit.
I'll be right back.
He's making a video for his YouTube channel.
Not in here. There. Got it. So I'm gonna be opening these. These are ginormous. Oh wait, guys, look. I'm Cutman. Whatever. So yeah, I'm not gonna mess around anymore. I am gonna open this thing. I was begging for this at the store. We just got it today. This thing is hard. Oh wait, there's tape. Hold on. Darn it, whatever. I want to say.
Alright, babe, love you. Your mama's crazy with that stuff, baby.
This is crazy.
Oh, that's fucking awesome. That's like Grandma Josie's here. Need some help in it? You got Minnesota Vikings? You gonna beat the New York Giants?
Actually, yeah, I need help.
You know helping in it?
Yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Bye. But I'm not really turning off the video, just so you know. And that's what I did.
Time out, I'll be back.
It's so hard to open it.
You just gotta cut the tape, and then once you cut the tape, you gotta be careful using a knife. It's got tape over here. And always cut the tape like this, always away from it. Sorry, you gotta upload that video. That's gonna be too funny because I'm over here like this, like, hey, you gotta go get Papa with this. Like your mom is in the background with the fake piece of poop. That's gonna be so funny. And you're all serious and I'm over here with fake poop. I'm just like over it already. I know, I can't. I'm gonna be on this for a long time. Or you can get burned with that at least. Oh, and then if you get him good and he runs, just pretend like it's clean. We're gonna video it. Pretend like you cleaned it up, and then I'm gonna get him over and over. We're gonna get it on video. This up so damn tight, man.
Frank's pretends he's brave.
He's not brave like you. Oh, Mama. I don't know, when I looked in that baby's diaper, I didn't see no poop, but I can smell poop now. He might have farted. He did that last night. That's what he did the first time. I thought he shit. Do you need this?
Okay, guys, we're back.
Michael, do you need this? It opens up.
Do
you need this? No.
No.
Okay.
Oh, can I see it real quick?
Yeah.
And in the back, it came with this, which is really cool. Mom, huh? Oh, just so you know, when we were at Walmart, we got this. It's actually kind of expensive, not that expensive. Actually, it was kind of expensive, and we got this pretend poo.
This is scissors. Michael, let me see the scissors.
Which I'm not going to borrow them with that anymore.
Put these on. I'm going to use these now.
And for Christmas, my grandma got a Pac-Man pot holder. Look at this thing. Yeah. So these are the Pac-Man pot holder. What color?
Can I borrow one?
Here.
Perfect timing. Oh, thank you. What do you got in there?
So, yeah, in the next video, I'm gonna put these. I'm gonna hook this up. Wait, I'm playing Galaga. Whoa. No, no, no! Oh, game over.
So cute.
So yeah, I guess that's all for today, guys. See you guys later. Bye!